We should be greedy to collect as much merit as we can. In regards to being greedy, we collect merit. Yes, we should be as greedy as possible. We're greedy with everything else. We're greedy with food. Some of us, we see a buffet, we jump on. We jump on it and die inside the buffet, and then we come out when it's finished. Some of us, new clothes, branded items. A new LV comes out, we're there in Star Hill. In fact, we sleep there in Star Hill overnight to make sure the door open, we can run inside. Some of us are Gucci or all kinds of, I don't know, all kinds of stuff like that. Some of us cars, new cars come out, we know everything. We understand everything. We go on the net, we do research, we look at the brochures, we kiss the brochures, we put it on our head, we wear it, we go to sleep with the brochures. We got cars. We just love it. Some of us, it's watches. Some of us, it's beautiful women. Some of us, beautiful men. I don't know. See a beautiful woman go by, then all attention there. See a beautiful guy go home, and I don't know whatever you guys like. So we all are greedy for something. It's okay. It's okay. We're not bad because we're greedy. We're used to it. Habituation. We're not bad. But let's add one more to the list of our greed. Hear the magic word? Add one more, not delete. I didn't ask you to delete one greed. I asked you to add one more. It's not nice to add. So if I tell you to delete one of your greed, you're out here. Bye-bye. See you later. I'll be a monk in my next life. Previous life monk, this life no, next life monk. Okay, this life vacation. Some people tell me, oh, I was a monk in my previous life. Yeah, you're a monk in previous life. That's wonderful. This life vacation. Next time you'll be monk again, I don't know, I don't care. So, you should be greedy. Why? Don't only think about your next life. What about the one after that? What about the one after that? What about the one after that? What about the one after that, after that, after that? I don't think any of us is going to be a Buddha in the next century. I don't think it's going to be the next scale. Some of us can be hanging around on this planet for a long, long time. We should collect. We should be as greedy as possible. Do you know when you should be satisfied with collecting merit? When you have become a fully enlightened Buddha. When you have control of your rebirth. When you have control of your destiny. When you do not suffer old age, sickness, and death. When you do not have fear of sickness and what's going to happen to you. When your mind dwells in compassion. When your mind dwells and never moves from kindness and pity for others, good pity. When you have clairvoyant powers and you can see into other people's minds and thoughts on how to benefit them and to know what they did to get their result and to do the appropriate to help them. When you have the powers of your body, your speech, and your mind, control over them, have full compassion, and your mind never wavers compassion, and you love all equally, and you're able to help all equally, that's when you can stop collecting merit. Until that time, you're still able to fall down. Why? You may have a lot of merit now from your wonderful, virtuous lives in your previous lives of doing good practice. But you know what? It's like a bank account. It can run out. Many huge portion of people, very wealthy people, they can become bankrupt. We hear it all the time. Michael Jackson, bankrupt. He earns 90 million US dollars a year. Can I just have one? For my salary, my year's salary, I was thinking about asking, but too late, no more money. He sold out Neverland. So even someone like that, I use him with respect. I don't mean anything negative, because we all know who he is, and he's all over CNN. In any case, yeah, even someone like that who earns so much, has so much potential, can be bankrupt. Who are we? Anytime our fortune can go down. That's not without financial, central financial, taking out financial. It's our own karma. So anytime we can be here, go down like that. I'm sure. So we need to collect merit. Merit is what sustains us. Don't let our practice maintains to be sincere. So we should be very greedy in a positive way to collect merits for ourselves, for our future lives. If we think on a higher level, we should collect a lot of merits that we can be of tremendous benefit to others. That's the middle level. The highest level is we can collect tremendous amount of merit that we can become a fully accomplished Buddha so we can accomplish the needs and wants of others. That's highest motivation for collective merit. So there are three motivations. Ourself and happiness for this life and future lives. Others for future lives and ourselves. And third highest is to become free from society people. And some of us think, oh, but I'm having a good time here. I don't want to be a Buddha. I don't want to go to Buddha heaven because I won't have a good time. Trust me, it's more fun being a Buddha than not being a Buddha. If you're a Buddha, everything you get gets key. If you're us, maybe. Much more fun, exciting, and thrilling to be a Buddha. Just think you can read anywhere you want, anytime you want, in any form, in any body. You can go anytime you want. You can have any wealth you want. This is any music. You don't get sick. Nothing negative happens to you. And all you do, everybody see you, they like you. Everybody see you, they're turned on, they're like, wow. It's more fun to be a Buddha. Don't choose to stay here and not be a Buddha. Choose to be a Buddha and then come back here. More fun. It's better to be rich, fabulous, beautiful, gorgeous, and be like that every time you come here. Then every time you die, it's like a lottery ticket. Oh, you go to get a thing, right? How many times do you win? And you throw something there, it's a chance. It's like that, and you don't practice Dharma when you die. It's a lottery. It's like drinking high. It's horrible. I went down through a few points. I lost it all. I lost all 10 ringgits. But I didn't do it. I had somebody do it because it's against my laws. I can't gamble, so I had somebody else do it. but I did pray that if I win, I donate to center. Yeah, I did that a few years back. It didn't work. The Buddha saw my motivation. Evil. They knew that if I won money, I would have been in Japan really fast. So I didn't get anything. Anyways, yeah. So we should be very greedy for collecting merits. And we should be very greedy for the people we love. We start there. For the people we care about, for our children. We never stop. Why? What about their future life? Their future life, their future life. What our parents and what kind of people and people gave us. Actually, we can never repay them back. So collecting merits for them, they'll be, oh, I made one big statue for my uncle. Enough. No, continuously, your uncles be very kind. For your parents, never enough. Must be more and more and more. Yes, when we dedicate the merits to other people, they only get a percentage, no offense intended. They don't get the full, this is not them, but you get it. So we should be very, very greedy in collecting merits continuously on a very simple basis. I won't go into deeper thinking. I'll say that for another day because I have much more details to share with you. So like that, be greedy for the Dharma. Be greedy for merits. Please be greedy, but be greedy with the right motivation. And the motivation makes a difference. Just like in worldly situations, people's motivation affect their career. A doctor who has a bad motivation, who only wants to make money, in the beginning, very good. In the end, people go to the clinic, go, no nice, just want money, one. But if we go to a doctor who's very kind, concerned, and still, immediately he doesn't have much money because he's always helping people, giving free medication. But in the end, his reputation grows. Everybody goes to him. And people support and help. Why? Motivation. Knowledge is same. Patience is same. Disease same, but motivation. So if you find it difficult to adjust your motivation for whatever actions, that's a sign that we should. It's a sign to our mind that we should do it before our merits run out.